Hello guys, this is the continuation of the initial topic I treated on the on refund to customer. This is actually refund to customer part 2. It's a scenario. This is actually another scenario. We're actually looking at a situation where the customer overpaid an invoice. The initial one was that the customer made an advance payment. There was no invoice on ground. But in this particular scenario, the customer has been invoiced and is owing for some outstanding invoices, and he actually overpaid for his invoices. So that is what we want to look at in this refund to customer part 2. So let's check out this. Look at this question. Scenario 2: when a customer overpaid for his outstanding invoices owed. Look at it. Dubai Bros Limited paid 200,000 naira to clear his outstanding debts. The customer is currently owing 164,500 naira. So process the refund for the customer and account for it in 650 accounting. So let's check something. I want us to check something out here. Let's go to report and form. We want to check how much the customer is owing. Let's go to customer. That is why I want to check how much Dubai Bros Limited is owing alone. We go to option, customer ID, Dubai Bros, and we okay it. You can see this customer is owing 164,500. But look at what happened. The customer made a payment of 200,000 and is actually demanding for a refund. So the difference between 200,000 and 164,000 is 35,500. So I think it's 35,500. So press your calculator and get the difference from me. It's 35,500. So how do we go about it? This one is straightforward. In this particular situation, what we need to do is to first pay this 200,000. Let's first pay this 200,000. So what are we going to do next? We go to our task. Let's first receive the money. So for the customer, Dubai Bros Limited, click on Dubai Bros Limited. You can see the customer is owing 164,500. Payments for invoice. Look at this invoice. Look at the invoice here. 444,444.65. You can see an excess payment. So how much did the customer paid? The customer paid 200,000. You can see here. So the customer has made an excess payment of 35,500. So the reference, I'm choose to put anything here in the reference. Customer paid into FCMB. You can see here. So if you have checked that everything is fine, you click save. Let's quickly go back to report and form and check something out. Option. I want to see only Dubai Bros. Go to option. Customer ID. Dubai Bros. Okay. The customer is owing. You can see now. The customer was actually owing 164,500 before, and after paying this 200,000, which means that he overpaid us. So he wants the refund, and what we are going to refund the customer now is 35,500. Then how to close our account and zero the customer ledger. So for us to do that refund, go back to our dashboard, go to task. Remember what we did initially. We are making payment. We receive the money through receipt, and we are making payment here. You click on receipt, click on payment. Now we are going to change this to customer. We are making it's an internet. We are making refund back to customer. That's why we are changing this. If it was ordinary vendors, we will not need to change it if we are paying our external vendor. But this is our customer. That is why we need to change it now to capture the customer data. That is the reason why we are changing it to customer ID. So we click on this arrow. Dubai Bros will come out and we select Dubai Bros. Let's expand this. So we are paying from FCMB. This is the date where the money initially came to the company. So we are paying from FCMB. Now write in the description, refund to customer. 35 500. Five 500. So let's say we refunded back to the customer. Let's say it was on the 23rd that we made our refund. So after you've checked and everything is fine, you can see our intention now is to zero the account of the customer. So this money will now go back to the customer. Let's see. Now, let's now go to our report and form and check again. I want to leave the Bible boss. What can you see here? The account is settled. Zero. What this means is that we must have processed the customer. We have processed the payment to the customer. The customer has received it. So our main intention here as the accountant is to effect it in the software, maybe Sage 50, maybe QuickBooks, and any other software that we actually using in the company. So this is the status of the whole thing. I hope it's understood very well. Thank you, and see you in the next class.